Hey, what's up, everybody? We're driving to our new lot in Ocean View. Gonna check out our new driveway. This is the first time we've seen it with the red cinder, and the first time we've driven a two-wheel drive car on it. It looks pretty amazing. I can't believe how short it is, actually. It seemed like when we were walking it through the brush before, it seemed way further. There's our little shack. There's the empty ground that got cleaned out. And there's our pad. 100 foot by 100 foot pad. It's going to be a surprise what we're going to build there. Hopefully we can afford it. It's not going to be a house. That's the hint. So it's a little muddy because it's been pouring rain. The guys still have their bulldozer there. Not sure when they're going to take that away. So we asked them to dig some holes for our fruit trees. Here's one of them. Thank goodness they did it with the excavator, because looking at the rocks in that hole, it doesn't look like it would have been an easy job by hand. So the other couple holes are on the north side of the property. We're going to have to cut all that grass back. So there are two there. There's the pad, and there's little raised elevation here. So this is where we took out the Christmas berry trees. So we're going to plant some fruit trees there. Those little flashes across the screen are big raindrops. So we're going to plant our citrus over there. And walking back toward the driveway. All this muddy area, we're going to drop some Bermuda grass down there. So we have some seeds, but we're not going to throw them out until the dozer gets out of there. There's another hole. And as we go up, we dug a couple more holes on the north side of the driveway. One there. These are close to the shack. And the last one there. So we'll probably plant one of the avocados there. So walking up the driveway, something already grew right through the red cinder. Pull it out. We're really happy how this thing came out, and the price on the red cinder was really awesome. I gotta find out where they got it from, because it was cheaper than the load that we got for our tiny house, and our tiny house area is much smaller. So looking back on the property, you can see there is the little shack. We're going to renovate that. We need to repaint the outside, and we're going to do some flooring and do a new countertop. All this grass here, I think we're going to end up cutting back eventually. Been using a metal blade on the weed eater. That's the only way to cut through all that stuff. Not sure what we're going to do over there. But all that cane grass is really a pain. So we'll take all that out there. And those trees, or those bushes next to the shack, those are native species. We're still trying to get the name, but we're going to leave those. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Click like, and hope you subscribe to our channel. Aloha.